Hey everyone, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm going to show you how I am making this beautiful layered peacock. I'm going to show you all the steps, and it's going to be really fun. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I want to give you a free welcome bundle. Just make sure to stick around till the very end, and I will let you know how you can get access to that free bundle. Hey guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and I am making this beautiful peacock that I designed for my VIP Crafters Club members. This is from our May 2022 file collection, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together right now. So first things first, I'm gonna put together the body of the bird, and I'm gonna just start from the back and glue on each layer. Now I am just gonna straight glue these. So usually what I do is I'll glue the side that has less surface area on it, just to make sure that we're not getting any glue in places that we don't wanna see glue. Ooh, I had so much fun designing this one. And it's gonna look so pretty with all of the glittery pieces. I wanted this to be like really, really super flashy. So this piece here, I can already see that I've got some pieces that were not fully, I don't know, weeded properly, I guess. Just punch these out real quick. So I have another peacock that is for heat transfer vinyl, and I like hand drew all of the feathers, and that was fun as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue this one. Oh, there's a couple of pieces here on top that didn't get punched out. There we go. All right. So now I'm gonna use this kind of glue just because I have a lot of small sort of areas here that I need to be careful with. I'm just kind of dabbing sort of all of the sort of cross areas, any areas where anything could lift up. I'm just sort of dabbing a little bit of glue there. I'm gonna take my tweezers, flip it over carefully. Right on top. These colors are so pretty. All right, so this piece is the most delicate piece. Lay it down carefully. So there is the body. I'm going to put that aside, and then, whoops. Now we have three sort of major sections here. So I'll start with the biggest section, actually. And I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm going to glue these directly to each other. Actually, I may give this back piece a little bit of dimension. So let me go ahead and do that. So I've got some foam tape here. Get my scissors. This is the second to the last back layer. So I'll go ahead and get some foam tape in all of the sort of major sections. Okay, so now I'm gonna place this right in the center here of this piece. So my tip for putting these feathers together is that with each layer, the holes are getting bigger as you get closer to the front. So the backmost layer is solid. The next layer has the smallest hole. And then the layer in front of that has a slightly bigger hole, and each of those little holes there is getting a little bit bigger and just revealing just a little bit more. So if you can think about that as you're putting these together, it'll help make it easier. Okay, so now the very largest of the 3 feather layers is finished. The other 2 layers are exactly the same. They're just, each one is just a little bit smaller than the one before. And so I'm gonna basically just repeat the exact same process. And then once I have all 3 of the feather layers, then I can put those all together and it will be my beautiful peacock. And I'm going to add some more foam tape in between the two feather layers just to give it a little bit of extra dimension. And now I am starting the third and final layer of the feathers. Again, it's just the same process, so I'm going to go ahead and speed right through this. And now finally, I'm going to be adding the body of the peacock to the front of the 3 layers. I'm using a little bit more foam tape over here, but you definitely don't have to use that. You can just glue it directly on, but I just wanted to give it a little bit of extra dimension. If you are one of my amazing VIP Crafters Club members, you already know that this cut file is available for you to download free with your membership. I have included a link in the description for you to access that easily. And if you are not yet a member of VIP Crafters Club, don't worry, you can still get access to this file. All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase this file directly, or better yet, why not join this incredible community with thousands of other crafters? VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly crafting subscription. You will get access to all of these amazing crafts that you're seeing on your screen right now. It's perfect for beginner and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, including how to upload and set up the SVG files in Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio, so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish, something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or Silhouette. You'll get lots of amazing projects and cut files that's going to build your confidence with using your machine. Every month there is something new. My members tell me that it feels like Christmas morning every single month. And plus, small business commercial use is allowed because I love to see my members earning money selling the crafts that they make using my cut files. Totally optional, but just something I like to throw in there in case you are somebody who has a small business. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together via Zoom. We have fun, we laugh, we share our creations. It is really a wonderful, tight-knit community with some of the most amazing group of crafters that you will ever know. We all get to craft with each other, and it's just such a really special thing to be a part of. So I hope that you'll consider crafting right along with us. And it does not cost much. The monthly fee is less than a trip to McDonald's. So check it out, and also be sure to check the description box for a special link and a coupon code so that you can save even more. So go ahead, check it out. I hope that you'll join us, and I look forward to crafting with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to gift you this free welcome bundle. All you have to do is go to my website at betterlifeblog.com/welcome, and you will get to download this free bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new. And if you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and ring that cute little bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that you found it interesting, and I hope that you'll come back and see some more of my videos. Below are a couple of fun videos for you to watch. I hope that you'll enjoy, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.